Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Snapchat keeps logging you out automatically. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing Snapchat keeps logging you out automatically, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open your Play Store, then type here Snapchat. If your Snapchat app is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, then go back and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then tap on the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here apps. Just tap on the apps. In some mobiles, you will find as manage apps. After clicking tabs, you can see all 148 apps. Just tap on that. Here you need to type Snapchat. Just tap on the Snapchat. Once you need to tap on the force stop. After that, you can see here storage and cache. Just tap on this. After tapping storage and cache, you can see here once you need to click on clear cache. After clicking clear cache, you need to click on clear storage. After that, click on OK. Then go back and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If still you are facing this issue, then you need to wait for some time to fix this issue, because it may be your Snapchat server issue. Due to this server issue, you can face this type of issue. After waiting some time, it will be fixed automatically. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Snapchat keeps logging you out automatically. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.